Draw 4 twos.
Draw 4 twos.
Draw a straight line.
Draw a straight line.
Draw a C on top of 2.
Draw a C on top of 2.
2 lines.
2 lines.
Bean-like eyes and pecks.
Bean-like eyes and pecks.
2W.
2W.
2V.
2V. The two birds